Let's see what happens when he wants to start playing with the vowels. So these are the vowels. We know all of them. Let's read them together. A, E, O, U, E. We know that these are the one always coming at the beginning and never attached to anything. These one up to here, we only have them in the middle. This one comes in the middle and at the end, sometimes attached, sometimes doesn't. This one always comes in the middle and can be attached from one side or both sides. And this one only comes at the beginning, sometimes attached, sometimes doesn't. Now let's see what happens if he wanted to start with a. So this one comes at the beginning, doesn't attach. So after that we have he. So this is a, this is he. A, he. A, he. Together, a. What about this one? This one wants to play. So this one attaches. When it wants to attach, it comes in the middle or at the end and should attach to the lowercase. Why? Yes, because always the lowercase can attach to other consonants or other vowels. So first I have he, and then a attached to this. So he, a. Together, ha. What about this one? First, this one comes. Always at the beginning, never attached. After that, we have he. So, he. Together, What about this one? Comes in the middle, only plays with the lowercase consonant. So first he, then a. He, a. This one jumps right up. He, a. He, a. Together, ha. What about this one? The one that comes always at the beginning, never attached. Then we have he, he. Together, and this one. This one wants to play, so comes right here, down there. This one should be and has to be a lowercase consonant. So first read this one, then this one. He, he. Together, he. This one wants to play. So always at the beginning, doesn't attach to anything. And then we have he. So o, he. Together, o. This one wants to start playing. This jumps right up like a. First we have lowercase and this one. So first he, then o. He, o. Together, ho. U wants to play. This one comes at the beginning and then I have he. So first I read this one, then this one. U, he. Together, u. But when this one wants to play, comes at the end, attached to he, so it would be he, u. He, u. Together, hu. And this tricky one here, this one comes always at the beginning, attached from one side. This one attached from both sides. Right here, I have E, then he. Because I first write down this one, I read this one first. So E, H, E, H. Together, E, H, E, E. This one wants to play, so comes at the end, wants to attach to the lowercase. So this one would be H, E, H, E. Together, he. Easy, doesn't it? As long as you know the pattern, it would be super easy. Let's see what are our practices for next session. So just like before, one page, write down this one page, this one. And as long as you're writing them down, you read them as well. Make this sound because your hand is practicing, so your throat and your vocal cord should practice as well. So you write it down, you read it with it. So you will completely remember how it sounds and learn the pattern. So many things happens when you practice like this. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to write all these, this, and until there. One page for each one of them. Don't forget, and when you did it, comment for me that you did it, okay? See you all next session, and until then, bye.